Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Check TV. Today, we're delving into the world of tactical flashlights and exploring some other cool lighting options, all available online at fantastic prices. Whether you're a prepper, camper, cave explorer, outdoor enthusiast, or just someone in need of a reliable light source, having the right tool for the job is crucial. The online marketplace offers a wide variety of flashlights and innovative lighting solutions at competitive prices, but with so many options, it can be difficult to know where to begin. I have searched the web and selected for contenders for your tactical and everyday lighting needs. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have the Autokeydiy Mini Keychain Flashlight, a compact companion designed for everyday adventurers. This sleek keychain boasts a durable and compact design, perfect for slipping into your pocket or attaching to your keyring. Despite its small size, this powerhouse is water-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor adventures in any weather. Magnetized for versatility, you can stick it to any metal surface for hands-free lighting. Equipped with a handy bottle opener, it's the perfect gadget for both urban and outdoor environments. Whether you're hiking or just need a quick light, Autokeydiy has got you covered. Stay powered on your journeys with the convenience of USB recharging, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The Autokeydiy Mini Keychain Flashlight makes a great Father's Day or Christmas gift and provides dependability in the palm of your hand. Overall, this USB rechargeable LED flashlight is a great option for those seeking a budget-friendly tactical flashlight with excellent features. Next, we have the Lanterna Portable Super Bright Zoomable Flashlight, which stands out for its zoom capability. With adjustable brightness and the ability to switch between a wide beam and focused spotlight, this flashlight is versatile for various lighting scenarios. Though not waterproof, its sturdy ABS construction ensures reliability in most outdoor conditions. If you're in need of a versatile tactical flashlight with zoom capability and dimming options, the portable Super Bright Zoomable Flashlight is definitely worth considering. Now, let's look at something a bit different. The Fire Phoenix gloves are a unique and practical solution for hands-free lighting. Crafted for durability, these gloves feature built-in flashlights powered by button batteries, making them perfect for mechanics, plumbers, or anyone working in tight spaces. While they may not provide long-distance illumination, they are waterproof and suitable for wet environments. Don't let darkness interfere with your work schedule. Embrace the power of LED flashlight gloves and light up your workspace with your fingers. Check them out today and experience the convenience for yourself. There you have it, 3 interesting lighting options to consider online. Remember, the best light source for you depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors such as lumens, features, and user reviews before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more tech gear reviews and awesome finds. If you're interested in learning more about the products I have reviewed today, including links to where you can purchase them, I have included all the details in the description box below. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye. Until next time, stay safe.